JIESHUN, one of the earliest companies in China's parking industry, has been dedicated to smart parking for 30 years. The company has a production park of 22,000 square meters, which includes the largest and most professional production line of access control equipment in China, with an annual production capacity of over 800,000 units. JIESHUN has strong independent research and development capabilities, as well as mass production capabilities. The company has developed a full range of product systems, including intelligent hardware, software, and business management platforms. The park features dozens of automatic assembly lines that can produce over 30 types of parking products and nearly 40 types of pedestrian products. JIESHUN offers product customization, joint research and development, and other services to meet customers' needs to the fullest extent. The company has been certified by the ISO 9001 quality system and has implemented informatization and standardized management throughout the entire R&D, supplier management, and manufacturing processes. Science and technology are the primary drivers of productivity, and JIESHUN has been committed to independent research and development since its inception. The company has developed over 300 patented technologies and is the primary contributor to more than 40 national and industry standards. JIESHUN's cutting-edge artificial intelligence algorithms, video analysis technology, and other core technologies are at the forefront of the industry. It is the only listed company in the domestic industry that integrates intelligent hardware production, platform R&D, and operation services. JIESHUN benefits from a well-developed manufacturing and supply chain system in the Pearl River Delta. JIESHUN places a high emphasis on quality control, starting from the source of procurement. The company has established supplier access and management mechanisms and employs a platform-based and large-scale procurement method to strictly select high-quality suppliers. High-standard process management requirements are implemented throughout the entire manufacturing, assembly, testing, and logistics process, resulting in high-quality products that are a hallmark of the JIESHUN brand. The company's automated production line combines feeding, assembly, testing, packaging, palletizing, and warehousing processes to improve production efficiency and ensure product stability and reliability. JIESHUN continuously improves the precision of machining and maintains strict requirements on the details of pressing, welding, electroplating, and other processes to create industry-leading product appearance and performance. The company's products are produced using an integrated numerical control molding process, resulting in an exquisite appearance, a stable and robust body structure, and a sense of process aesthetics. The products can be paired with different process configurations such as fully tempered glass, high-quality baking varnish, spray paint, and more to create an exclusive sense of high-end quality. Over the years, JIESHUN has consistently provided customers with a stable and excellent product experience through elegant and concise designs, excellent waterproofing, dustproofing, corrosion resistance, and anti-interference capabilities. This has resulted in a family of access control products with a high reputation and recognition. Our dedication to quality is evident in every product we deliver to our customers. We never stop striving for excellence. Moving forward, JIESHUN will continue to prioritize intelligent manufacturing and eagerly anticipate collaborating with more partners to create a new smart city ecosystem.